Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the platform that WSL needs, because without that kernel integration, WSL cannot run. Open PowerShell as administrator and enable both the Windows subsystem for Linux and virtual machine platform. Once done, reboot to apply changes. Next, set WSL to version 2 as the default with WSL set default version 2 so you get the improved performance and full system call compatibility. Finally, prepare to install a Linux distro from the store or via an apps file. Make sure your Windows build is 64-bit and up to date. Now you install and configure a distro so you have a usable Linux environment. Use the Microsoft Store or run WSL install Ubuntu to fetch and register the distro. When it first launches, create your Linux user and password. Once inside, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to get current packages, because outdated packages can break development tools. Then set your default distro with WSL set default. Adjust /etc/WSL. Conf or WSL config to tune mounts and resource limits, and make sure Windows path. Finish by integrating your workflow tools and validating the setup so you can work without interruption. Install Docker Desktop and select WSL2 backend, enable SSH or an X server for GUI apps, and test file sharing between Windows and Linux. If you need to move or backup a distro, use WSL export and WSL import or convert versions with WSL set version. If something fails, try restarting the LXSS manager service, run WSL update to refresh the kernel, and reboot. This single troubleshooting step resolves many startup and compatibility errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.